The neck core for June and the calf core, we're going to work through using the bands. It's a little bit funky looking. You get some strange looks for this one, but you're just getting that lateral loading through the neck, so you might find that's enough just doing 30 seconds aside, tongue on the roof of the mouth, and holding it isometrically to make that a little bit more challenging. You're keeping everything aligned. Slowly rotating from side to side, 30 seconds. And the other side, quite a cool exercise to strengthen the lateral part of the neck, get that postural endurance through those fibers, so that way it's kind of injury proofing their neck with all the forces that goes in there with all the overhead lifting. But any of the loading through the upper body is going to challenge through there, as well as any kind of full body athletic movement where that force is going through that kinetic chain. The other one's going to be for the calves, so it's just a 3-directional calf raise, 20 seconds here, 20 seconds turn out, 20 seconds turn in. To make that harder, you turn it into a bit of a jump, like that, or a continuous jump. 20 seconds each. Really trying to get a nice toe point on each jump and getting that nice absorption, so you're really strengthening that suspension system and keeping active through here all the way through, so that way it crosses over and it makes the whole chain stronger rather than just focusing on the calves. Remember, these are pretty hard, so if you haven't done it for a while or it's slightly different from what you did last month, the version, don't rush. You do need to walk. They do get sore, so you might not feel it so much when you do it, but then the next 2 days, 48 hours after, sometimes it can be really nasty if you haven't done it for a while. So always make sure that you're doing them, each week, and if you have missed a little bit, just ease into it. Don't go too hard. Enjoy.